Thunderstorms are very, very active. It's raining. Hoping to pick up something. Everything again is being video and audio recorded. It's still 4/9/2018. Second floor patio of Island Hotel in Cedar Keys, Florida.
Cedar Keys, for everybody who needs to know.
Okay, 2 meter, solid green, see, feel nothing. Huh?
And mosquitoes.
Should be mosquitoes up the side. Those are some really nice, strong thunderstorms rolling in from the Gulf of Mexico. Two-meter again is solid green, showing absolutely nothing. Really rather disappointing. I was hoping the storm with this magnitude would at least add enough energy, enough excitement and stuff to agitate something in the spirit world. A lot of thunder and lightning. Crossing my fingers, either hoping either the voice recorder picks up something or the camera does. Yeah. But other than that, it's still very relaxing. It's a beautiful place for a vacation. have some of the viewers that are here in the building. Welcome to Florida.
See, then that neighborhood neighbors where they have the flag flying during the rainstorm.
Yeah.
Come on. Go on Real American, say yes. By saying yes, I want you to let this 2 meter away.
That would be really nice if you were able to do 2 meters. So you know for a fact that it works.
Don't work on me. No, that's good.
I am somewhat surprised when we see a lightning day when we put it up. So that's not like that.
I'm close enough.
Yeah.
I definitely don't want to be close enough. But tin roof, metal guardrail, semi-weapon board.
It's now 12:10 a.m. on 5th. Very active storm. Lightning, thunder, rain. I guess we'll do just a little longer, then we'll call it quits. One more thing, we'll do spirit box in the room. We'll call it quits. Yeah. Sometimes just do what you gotta do. Give it 2 more minutes and then we'll go.
You just said 2 minutes earlier.